Wash your hands.
We're gonna make hash browns today using the stove. For that, you're going to need hash browns, oil. You're also going to need a spatula, a plate, a tablespoon if you're measuring the oil, and a skillet. We're gonna turn our burner to medium-high heat. So for mine, it numbers it, so I'm at about a 6 or a 7. Next, we're gonna add the cooking oil. The recipe I have says it calls for about 4 to 6 tablespoons. So I'm gonna do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let oil heat up for about 2 minutes.
Once your oil has heated up for a couple minutes, you can start adding your hash browns. I'm using about 1/4 of my bag. If you want to measure it, it's probably 2 cups. Okay, you're going to want to set a timer for about 4 minutes. And then it will be time to flip them.
Let hash browns cook on one side for about 4 minutes.
Okay, when our timer goes off, we're gonna start flipping. We're gonna start flipping the hash browns. That way both sides can get cooked, so I can see underneath my hash browns are pretty brown. I'm gonna kind of keep flipping little batches of the potatoes so that the top part, they should be a little bit brown and not as white as when you first put them in. The directions on my bag say to turn the heat down to medium and finish cooking for another 3 or 4 minutes. My timer's going off. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna keep checking and flipping my hash browns, make sure that they're brown enough. They should all look brown but not burnt. Kind of looks like this, it's brown. And then when you're ready, we'll transfer them to a plate. We need to turn the burner off. Make sure it is off, your light is off, and we're gonna transfer it to a plate. I'm gonna bring my plate over here. I'm going to transfer this into my plate. I'll set my plate down. And I'm just going to put it on my plate. And then I'll let that cool off before we wash it, okay? And you can eat.
Wash all of your dishes.